Hey folks, welcome back to Horsepen Ranch, the Horsepen Ranch YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you how to do a shrimp boil, so don't miss out. Stay tuned. Okay, so you can see we've got a big old pot here. Big old pot. We got it full of water. And right now we're just getting the water hot. We got a big, what they call a pancake burner down underneath it. Big burner. And do a lot of BTUs. And we are going to get this water up to a hot simmer to a boil. And then we will add our seasoning, maybe some lemons. And we'll get a big ingredient list for you here in just a moment. So stay tuned. Okay guys, we have got some more ingredients here. We got andouille sausage, we got corn, we got some mushrooms, we got some Slap Your Mama Cajun boil seasoning, we've got some lemons, and we got some potatoes. So we're gonna cut these lemons up, quarter them up, and put some seasoning in this pot with lemon. Probably throw some garlic in there as well, and let that come to a boil. We're still not at a boil yet. So here we go. Okay, so we've got some lemon, we've got some garlic in there. We've got our seasoning in there. Stir this up and show it to you here. We're getting ready to slice some taters up and start them up. See our garlic floating around in there. I just did put some minced garlic in there to flavor the water real well. So these are just red taters. We're gonna just kind of quarter these up and put them in there quartered like this. Just like this. So okay, so we're boiling, as you can see right here. Our garlic, our lemon juice, our seasoning. We're gonna start with the taters. Let them boil for about 11 to 13 minutes. So there's how that works right there. There you go. And then we'll go with the sausage next. Okay, this is my daughter cutting up the andouille sausage. And that's what you want. You just want bite-sized sausage. Say hello.
What's up?
All right, here we go. So, like I said, that's going to go in. We're going to put some mushrooms in there. Mushrooms really soak up the flavor. That tastes really good. And there's our corn we're going to put in there. And we've got probably about 7 or 8 minutes left. We got some family here today, ready to eat some shrimp. All right, my wonderful wife. Here we go. Keep cutting them up, Addie. Okay, we've been about 13 minutes. So we're gonna check, yeah, these are soft and they'll get some more cooking time. So now we're gonna add our andouille sausage. 4 pounds of that. We're going to put our corn in there as well. Like that. Okay, we're going to put in there our mushrooms. Like this. And one more mushroom. And then we'll put our shrimp in about 4 or 5 minutes. This will be kind of where we want it. We'll bring it back to a boil and let it cook another 4 or 5 minutes. So stay tuned. Been about 5 or 6 minutes. Our corn is ready. Our sausage is nice and warmed up. So we got 5 pounds of shrimp here. Large shrimp, already deveined and peeled to the tail. And it don't look like a lot of shrimp, but it is, guys. So there you go. And we're gonna take this and we're gonna crack it open right over this boiling water, like so. And then we're going to gently let it flow in there, like this right here. And this will only take about 3 or 4 minutes. When it turns pink, you're done. You do not want to overcook shrimp, or it'll be nice and rubbery and nasty. No one likes rubbery, nasty shrimp. I'm going to give this a quick stir. Already turning pink a little bit, but that's okay. Okay, so there you go. Cook that for about 3 minutes and we're done. We'll get it out here and dump it out. Okay, this is my buddy Logan Randolph. He's big, strong. He's gonna help us with this situation. Grab that side over there, Logan. We're gonna pick this up. We're gonna drain it for a minute. Just lay it right over there, Logan. You got it? Yes, sir. We'll bring it over here. Just gonna set it down right here. Okay, then we're gonna slowly turn this over. All right, you guys see it. That's it right there. We're gonna rake this out. Just lost a sausage. I'm gonna slowly rake this out here on the table. We'll actually do some crab legs. We're just gonna throw the crab legs in for about 5 minutes, let them warm up. There you go, guys. That's how you serve it. Break it out like so. We're gonna try this. Stay tuned. So these crab legs are already cooked, so they're kind of steamed. That's why they're pink. So about 5 minutes later, we'll have these out. We're just basically heating these up, and it's good flavorful water. If they're raw crab legs, you need to do them about 7 or 8 minutes. So that's how this works. Leaking here a little bit. Pour that in there like that. We'll add that to the meal as well. Okay, guys, so here we go. We'll try a mushroom right here. Loaded with flavor. And these shrimp here, check that out. Perfectly done. So good. So good. When you buy sausage, buy some good andouille sausage. You don't want to buy the cheap stuff. It's hard to find sometimes, but maybe a meat market, something like that will have it. So thanks for joining us. Hope you learned something today. We're going to pull the crab out here in just a second. We got family behind us and friends. We're going to show you. They're going to hammer this. There you go. Say hi, everybody. Hi. Okay. So I'll put the recipe in the description. And thanks for watching as always. And have a good shrimp boil next time you do one. Get after it. Thanks for watching Horsepen Ranch.